Hi, this is Elijah Carrillo, and this is the first lesson in learning how to play the piano. Um, Anyways, I gotta go through this quick because the video size gets too big, so I'll kind of rush through it. You can just play this video back and forth as much as you'd like. So anyways, the first lesson is really simple. All it is the name of the keys, the notes, on a keyboard. Which a note is just playing a single one. You hear notes and you hear chords. Chords are when you play with like three or more fingers. A note is just the single one. So anyways, these first couple lessons are just learning the names and what the different ones are. Right now I'm just going to teach you the names of the notes, and then everything comes simple. Everything is real simple after that. Everything comes easily. So anyways, it might be boring, but it's very important that you learn these. First off, I just want you to know I understand people see a piano or keyboard and it looks real big, and piano is very easy to play, just like anything that you learn. It's just as much, it just depends on how much work you put into it. First off, like I said, I'm rushing through this, so first off, I want you to notice that there's a pattern. There's 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. It's just a pattern. That's what the piano is. It's just a pattern over and over. So really you just need to learn this much of the piano, because 2, 3, then it starts over again, 2, 3. So that much of the piano, the names are what you're going to learn. The only difference is it gets lower and it gets higher. But it's the same thing over and over. So anyways, to start beginning to get through all that, all you need to know is your alphabet, and you just need to go up to the letter G. So there's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and that's it. There's no H, I, J, there's none of that. It just goes up to G. I always teach that it's better to start right here, because it's the beginning of your pattern. Remember 2, 3, 2, 3. So it's the beginning of your pattern right in the 2, right here in the beginning. So same thing over here. Here's the beginning again. So anyways, this is your C. So just like your alphabet, right after C, there's C, D, E, F, G. And then it starts at A, B, and look, you're right back to your C, right in the beginning of the pattern, right in front of the 2. Remember, I started over here and I ended up here because it's the same thing. So all the way up to G. So once again, there's C, D, E, F, and it ends at G. Starts over at A, B, C, and you're back in the beginning. So that's it for those names. So once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right back, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right back, A, B, and you're back again. So same thing, there's your C, 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 C. So remember, pattern, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. But all you need to know, is these, because it's the same thing over and over, just lower and higher. So anyways, those are the names of that. Remember, I said you could play this back. Now for these notes, these are the same thing, with the letters and everything. The only difference is there's a sharp or a flat at the end of the name. So for instance, a C sharp or a D flat. Now it sounds confusing, but the simple rule of thumb, just to remember, a sharp is always to the right of a note. A flat is always to the left of a note. If you're confused on that, in music you see when they say a C sharp, for instance, a sharp, the symbol for a sharp is a number sign. The symbol for a flat is a lowercase b sign. So for instance, a C sharp would look like a C with a number sign. A D flat would look like a D with a lowercase b sign. That's just how they look. You could look it up, see what I mean, but that's all it is. So remember, a sharp is to your right, a flat is to your left. So these, all it is a sharp or flat. Each one has 2 different names because you'll catch on. For instance, this is your C, right? So since this is to the right of your C, this is a C sharp, or a D flat because it's to the left of the D. So you get that? So this is a C sharp because the sharps are to your right. So it's a C sharp, or you have your D flat because your flats are to your left. So your C sharp or your D flat. So same thing with this. Here's your D sharp or your E flat because it's to the right of the D, left of the E. So C sharp or D flat, Here's your D sharp or your E flat. So there's no E sharp because there's nothing here. So no E sharp or F flat. So it just starts over again. F sharp, and here's your G. So it's also a G flat. Remember, 2 names to each one. So your F sharp, G flat. So here's your G sharp or your A flat. Here's your A sharp or your B flat. So remember, 2 names, sharps to your right, flats to your left. C sharp, D flat, D sharp, E flat, no E sharp or F flat, F sharp, G flat, G sharp, A flat, A sharp, B flat. Remember, also no B sharp or C flat. So once again, those are all the notes, the names of your notes. So once again, your alphabet, remember you start at C in the beginning, your pattern 2 3 2 3. Start in the beginning, A B C D E F G, and it ends there. Starts again at A B, and you're back to your C. D E F G A B C. Sharps to your right, flats to your left. C sharp, D flat, D sharp, E flat, F sharp, G flat, G sharp, A flat, A sharp, B flat. Those are the name of your notes. And remember, I said once you get this, everything else comes very easy. So that's it for lesson 1. God bless. If you have any questions, email me at elijah.carrillo@rockchurch.com, or if you know me that well, just give me a call. God bless.